Hey everyone, welcome back in CAD with Kamal. In this tutorial, we will do a simple part modeling exercise in SolidWorks. We can call this model as a bracket support. If you are learning CAD or want to sharpen your CAD skill, this video is for you. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative tutorials. So don't waste any time. Let's start today's exercise. So I'll stop this animation. So for part modeling environment, we have to go with this new option. Click on this and select part and OK. Let's see our part drawing. So this is our part drawing. This is top view, front view, side view, and I'll cut it a section view with the help of side view. There is a hole dia 13, depth 14 mm. So there's a one plate, two cylindrical bush, one with the top bush with ID and keyway also 5 mm. There's a two rib. Thickness of the rib is 6 mm. So let's start with this base part plate. So this plate dimension is 100 by 15 and thickness is 6 mm. Let's draw this. I'll change my background plain white and unit measurement in millimeter. Okay. Select front plane. Select line. Draw a sketch like this. Now assign dimension. This is a 41. This is 18. That is 14. This overall length is 100 mm, so this is also 41. Okay. Now we use offset. The thickness is 6 mm, so we put 6 mm here. Reverse, select chain and select this line. Okay. Let's close this sketch with the help of line. Now see, our sketch is fully defined and closed. So exit here. Extrude Bose feature we can use here, and we have to extrude up to 50 mm. We select reverse direction. Okay. Now we draw this two cylindrical bush sketch. This bush dia is 40 and this OD is 30 and ID is 18. The bush height, both of the bush height is 20 mm. So let's draw this. I'll create a top plane and we have to make a reference plane here. I'll select reference plane up to 26 mm. So thickness is 6 mm and bush height is 20 mm. So total 26 mm because our top plane create in the bottom of this plate. So we create 26 mm plane here, height. Okay. Select this plane, sketch, select circle, or I'll draw 3 circle here. Assign dimension. This is 40 mm. This one is 30 and this is 18 mm dia. Let's make relation vertical and with this horizontal. Our sketch is fully defined. Let's exit. Use Extruded Bose base. I use up to surface feature here option. For face I select this and for surface I select this and I clear this. I select contour this. See, preview. Okay. Again Extrude Bose base. I use same sketch. Okay, I'll clear this first. This time we use blind option up to 20 mm and I select this contour. Okay. Now this time extrude cut. We use same sketch. Have to clear this. This time through all both. I select this. Okay. Now close this, hide this plane. Now we have to select this face. I use convert entity and select these lines. What happened? use extrude cut through hole this direction. Okay, this is clear. Now there is a hole at bottom of this plate, dia 13, 14 mm depth. We select this face, circle, (13), and I select this line and convert in the sketch. Use trim, power trim option and clean this. Okay. Exit, extrude cut, blind, 14 mm, see. Okay. Now we have to make this rib. This is the mid of this plate. You can see here dimension 6 mm. So we have to make a plane. So we use again reference plane. First reference we select this face and this face for second reference, and our plane will be created in the middle of this plate. Okay, we select this plane, sketch, I select line, use this vertex, this is 127 degree. Let assign. Okay. Extrude Bose base. Use mid plane here. And total overall thickness is 6 mm. Overall 6 mm. Okay. Let's hide this plane. Select this face for slot. And this slot is R 3.5, length 30 without this arc. So let's draw this straight slot I use here. Let's assign dimension 3.5 arc. This length is 30, and here from this edge is center is 7, and from this edge this distance of this arc 10 mm. Let's assign 10, and with this edge this center 7. Sketch fully defined. Let's exit here. Use extrude cut and use through all up or up to next. You can use through all or up to next. Anything you can use, and say OK. Let's create one more plane behind between these two center. Okay. Okay. Select mirror, feature of mirror, this rib and this slot in this option. Okay. Let's hide this plane. Now I have to cutting the keyway. So I select this circle, make convert entity and create a corner rectangle here. I make a reference line also here. So this is 5 mm keyway. So we are from mechanical background. So we know when we have a circular square key, so half key in the male part and half key in the female part. So this is 5 mm key. So we have to cut this key 2.5 in this body and 2.5 in the other body, like a shaft. So this is 18 dia, half is 9, and 9 plus 2.5 is 11.5. Okay. Let's make relation this line and this line coincident, and this line with this point. Okay, and let's drag this. This is no problem because this is open area. Okay, we use trim, and I'll trim this. This sketch is closed, fully defined, exit, extrude cut through all. Okay, see the keyway. See, okay. Now apply some fillets on the sharp edges. So use, sorry, chamfer. We use 1 mm only. Select this face, select this face, select this face, these sharp edges. Okay. Actually, I forget something. We have to make a fillet here also. Okay, let's drag this. Let's assign some appearance for color. You can see our model is complete. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question or doubt, you can write in comment section also. And if you like this tutorial, share the video, like the video. Thanks for watching this video. So see you in next tutorials. Thank you so much.